Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the validating resources problem in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, when exporting to Filmora, you will have this message like of uh, validating resources, and sometimes it will take just like forever and to start. And basically, to fix this problem, all you will be needing to do is just to try two methods. One of them is basically connect to your account for exporting, and sometimes not being connected to your account would start create some problems. So basically, make sure that you are already in or you are already logged in Filmora, and basically here you will find social media, DVD, device, etc. So basically here, you will be needing like to be connected to your Filmora. You can like just go to the Filmora panel and make sure you have logged in, or just go to your account here and make sure that you are logged in. Otherwise, you can try like to cut connection from Filmora, since it is like being validated from the internet, and basically that will bypass this problem. So you can simply go to your connection, and basically you will need just to disconnect from your internet connection. And by this connection, you will be able like just to go to export, and from there you will need to choose like the settings for your video rendering, and of course you can choose whatever you like, and then you can click on export, and that would work. And basically it really depends on which version that you which Filmora version that you are using, and basically one of these methods should work. So either you should connect to your account and make sure like everything is working. Otherwise you will need just like to stop internet connection, and basically you will need to start exporting to solve this problem. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.